Hi everyone, I'm Helma Christiane Bloomberg, and welcome to your latest real estate market update for gorgeous Los Olivos, California. Whether you're a seller, buyer, investor, or simply someone keeping tabs on our local luxury market, you'll want to hear what's happening this week. Let's begin with the median list price, which currently stands at $4,322,500 for single-family homes in Los Olivos. This is a high-value market, and this number reinforces the luxury appeal of this tight-knit, vineyard-rich region in the heart of Santa Barbara County. Now let's look at the Market Action Index, which is one of the most important numbers to track. This week, the index is sitting at 26, slightly down from 27 just last month. That puts us in a slight buyer's market, meaning buyers have a bit more leverage, especially in negotiations and contingencies. One of the most impactful indicators this week is inventory. We currently have just 8 active listings in all of Los Olivos. That's incredibly limited supply. Even in a buyer's market, such low inventory creates fragility. A handful of sales or new listings could easily tip the scales in either direction. You might notice that the median price of new listings is showing as $0, which likely means there were no new listings added this week. That further supports the narrative of a slow but steady high-end market where properties move more like private assets than commodities. The price per square foot has reached a new high at $1,547. That is a premium figure and speaks to the exclusivity of homes in Los Olivos. Properties here are not only rare, they're sought after by buyers looking for privacy, acreage, and the lifestyle that only wine country can offer. Let's talk about market speed. The average days on market has now climbed to 159 days, and the median days on market is currently 133 days. That means most homes are taking about 4 to 5 months to sell. Not surprising in a market at this price point, but important to plan for if you're preparing to list. Now here's something interesting. 38% of current listings have had a price decrease, while 0% have increased their price. This reflects what I like to call buyer influence. Sellers are adjusting expectations to align with what buyers are willing to pay, especially when listings sit for extended periods. Only 13% of homes have been relisted, which is a relatively low number for a niche market like this. It suggests that many listings either sell or are withdrawn rather than being repositioned. But if you're a seller whose property has stalled, there's definitely opportunity to re-strategize and relaunch for better results. Now, if you're considering purchasing an investment property or converting a home into a rental, here's something worth noting. The median rent in Los Olivos is now $15,000 per month. That's an exceptional number and underscores the short-term and seasonal rental appeal of this wine country gem. So what's the big picture in Los Olivos this week? We're in a slight buyer's market with ultra-low inventory, high-end price points, and slow but steady movement. It's a market that rewards patience, precision, and experienced guidance, whether you're buying or selling. If this update was helpful, I'd be honored if you'd like, subscribe, and share it with anyone thinking about real estate in Los Olivos. And of course, if you're ready to explore buying, selling, or investing, I'd love to be your trusted resource. You can reach me directly at 805-450-6006. That's my number here in Santa Barbara County. Or head over to helmabloomberg.com. You can also book a one-on-one appointment using the link below this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next week with another update on the Los Olivos real estate market.